Hello, hi. My name is Cody. I live in Montreal, Canada. I have an agency here. I work with small and medium-sized businesses. Uh, Mainly, I offer Google AdWords and Facebook marketing. Before I met Cody, I've been struggling getting new clients and charging it, enough to sustain, my monthly expenses. Have that freedom that every one of us there looking. But once I participated Cody's coaching program, things change. Now it's so easy for me to get clients because Cody in his coaching program he shows step by step what to do, what emails to send out, what mails. There is a videos, I can go there and I can watch again and again. So everything is in place. It's like the blueprint of getting a clients. So I'm so happy, I found Cody. That it's been the best thing in 2016. I gained that confidence, and not only Cody showed us how to get clients, he shows us how to change our mindset. That's the most important thing. If you don't believe in our services, the prices that we're gonna charge, I mean, it's gonna show eventually. The clients they're gonna see it. I mean, but after participating Cody's coaching program, 1500 is the minimum that Cody suggests that we charge, and I gained that confidence. I can go out and easily say this is my fees, you know. So I would really encourage you, if you're on the fence, thinking to join Cody's coaching program, uh, go ahead. You have nothing to lose.